Hi, my name is Dr. Doug Cass, and I'm here to take 2 minutes of your time to talk about a very, very serious life-threatening disease called obstructive sleep apnea, or OSA. It affects over 18 million people. Basically, what happens during obstructive sleep apnea, it's a breathing disorder that it occurs when you're sleeping and you stop breathing. One of the things that will happen is you'll gasp for air, or your person sleeping next to you will realize you're no longer breathing and it's waking them up, or you're snoring really loud. So what happens when you're sleeping is you got to remember sleep is really important to life, because sleep allows your body to recharge. Hormones are released, blood pressure is dropped, healing occurs. When you're not sleeping, when you're having obstructive sleep apnea, you're not getting oxygen to the brain. So rather than your brain focusing on those things that we talked about, healing, hormone release, it's basically telling your body, it's shouting, breathe. And so what happens is your body goes, and it'll start to gasp for air. That takes you out of the sleep cycle. That is so critical to a very healthy life. As a matter of fact, all pro football player Reggie White died at a very young age from obstructive sleep apnea. It's a very serious condition. In the past, most people were treated with a CPAP. It basically looks like a fighter jet pilot's nose piece, and it's strapped to your head with a long pipe that goes to a machine that lays beside your bed. Nearly 50% of the people with the CPAP cannot tolerate it. They won't sleep with it. I actually have patients that say, I'd rather be dead than wear a CPAP. That's a pretty heavy statement. So there is a solution to it. It's called oral appliance therapy. It is best done by a specialist, a dentist who has had extended training in obstructive sleep apnea and oral appliance therapy. I happen to be one of those dentists, and basically what we do is we use small appliances. They'll fit in the palm of your hand, and basically this is one of those appliances. And it opens up the airway, allows you to breathe. When you're doing so, your body is healing, and the person next to you is sleeping peacefully too. Again, I'm Dr. Doug Cass. Thank you very much for watching.